विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, चला आज एका नवीन चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून आपण अभ्यास करूया. त्या चॅनलचं नाव लर्न अँड स्टडी. लर्न अँड स्टडी या चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून आपण आज अभ्यास करणार आहोत. डिअर स्टुडंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न विथ अ न्यू चॅनल नेम्ड लर्न अँड स्टडी. At first, we are going to start a poem, Try Again. This poem is written by or composed by W.E. Hixon. This poet is British poet. Tease, T-I-S. This word is given here, but you don't read that word as tease a day. You should read that word as it is. Why we should read like this? Because comma apostrophe is given there, so we should read that word as it is. It is a lesson you should heed. It is a lesson you should heed. You means you pay your attention to the lesson. Try again. Try again. It is a lesson and you should pay your attention here. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If you are doing any work, at first you will not get success. So you should try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. When you are doing your work, that time your courage will appear there. With the help of your courage, you can do your work. But you should be persevere there. Means you should go behind your work, and so then you will become a successful person. You will conquer, never fear. Try again. You will conquer. You will achieve your aim. You will become a successful person, but you should try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. Means if you are doing your work, जरी तुम्ही एखादं काम करत असाल, अशा वेळी तुम्ही एकदा किंवा दोनदा तुमच्या कामामध्ये अयशस्वी व्हाल किंवा तुमचं जे टार्गेट असेल त्यामध्ये अयशस्वी व्हाल, पण तुम्ही प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. वन्स ऑर ट्वाइस दो यू शुड फेल, ट्राय अगेन. इफ यू वुड प्रिवेल, ट्राय अगेन. अयशस्वी झालात तरी प्रयत्न करणं आवश्यक आहे, आणि जर समजा यश मिळत असेल तरी सुद्धा प्रयत्न करणं आवश्यक आहे. इफ यू वुड ॲट प्रिवेल, ट्राय अगेन. If we strive, it is no disgrace, though we do not win the race. जर आपण खूप प्रयत्न करत आहोत, you are trying hard and you didn't get a victory, you didn't win the race, don't be afraid, don't be fear, don't leave that work. You should try again and again. What should we do in that? Suppose you have lost the match. You have tried so much. You have tried so hard and you have lost the match. What should you do? You should try again. You should try again and again. Then you will get your target, or you will become successful person. If you find your task is hard, try again. Suppose you found your target is very hard, not easy. What should you do? You should try again. खूप आपलं काम, आपण जे हाती घेतलेलं काम आहे ते अवघड आहे असं आपल्याला दिसून येतं. आपण प्रयत्न करायला लागल्यानंतर मग त्याला सोडून द्यायचं का? नाही. यू शुड ट्राय अगेन. तुम्ही त्याला पुन्हा प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. टाइम विल ब्रिंग यू युअर रिवॉर्ड, ट्राय अगेन. प्रयत्न करत राहा. You should try again and again. Then time means after some time you will get your reward. What is that reward? That reward means victory. That reward means satisfaction, which you will achieve after some time. It is important. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Other people can do it. Why with patience may not you? Means The other people can do it because they have the patience, and the persons who have the patience, those persons will become the successful person. ते लोक यशस्वी होतात ज्यांच्याकडे संयम आहे. पेशन्स म्हणजे संयम आहे. मग तुम्ही का नाही? मे नॉट यू, कदाचित तुम्ही का नाही? कारण तुमच्याकडे संयम नाही. तेव्हा आपण काय केलं पाहिजे? संयम राखून प्रयत्न करायला पाहिजे. यू शुड ट्राय अगेन. ओनली कीप दिस रूल इन व्ह्यू. ट्राय अगेन. You should keep this rule. We must have patience. And with the help of patience, we can achieve your target. You can do your work easily. So it is important. So I think, friends, you would understand this poem. If you have any problem, you can ask me. I think today I have to stay. I have to stop here. Okay, welcome. Dear students, if you understood this poem and if you like the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.